planning to register next quarter. Paano po if ever next 2 years or someday mag-abroad ako? Ano po mangyayari sa filing? Depende sa'yo kung abroad for good na ba yan. Hindi ka na mag-freelancing business. Hindi ka na magpa-part-time freelancer, side gig, about freelancing. Siyempre, dapat isara mo na yung BIR mo para hindi mo na kailangan mag-file ng quarterly income tax return. Hello guys, my name is George. I'm a freelancer's tax advisor at GA Consulting. What we do is we are empowering online freelancers through simple and stress-free tax compliance. Balik tayo, paano naman kung hindi mo sinara? Ayun, magpa-file ka pa rin. May freelancing income ka man or wala, kailangan natin mag-file. So, zero filing yon. Paano naman kung nag-decide ka na, sige, close ko na yung BIR ko after 2 years mong freelancer, di ba? Mag-apply ka sa BIR na mag-close ka na ng freelancing business at ang pinaka-importanting document na makukuha mo ay BIR Form 2320 or Certificate of No Outstanding Tax Liability. Yun yung pinaka-importanting document para masabi mong nasara mo na yung business mo. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.